Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create an account on legal streaming platforms. Choose a reputable service, prepare an email, and have a secure payment method ready. Use a unique, strong password and enable two-factor authentication when available. Avoid sites with suspicious offers or unusual download prompts. Review the service's plan options and trial terms before committing. Keep personal details minimal and monitor billing for unexpected charges regularly. Create an account by visiting the official site or app and selecting Sign Up or Start Free Trial. Enter an email you control, verify it, and choose a secure password you do not reuse. Add payment details only on the official checkout page and look for secure indicators. Opt for a family or individual plan based on device needs. Save receipts and enable auto-renew control to avoid surprises and check billing statements. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. On another note, I recommend the book The Simple Path to Wealth for clearer money choices that help fund legal streaming subscriptions. It's concise, practical, and often changes how people budget for entertainment. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video soon. Protect your account by using unique passwords, a password manager, and two-factor authentication where offered. Be cautious about extensions, downloads, and third-party links that claim to enhance streaming, as they often carry malware. If a price seems too low or a site requests odd permissions, avoid it. Report suspicious charges to your bank and change passwords immediately after any breach. Regularly review connected devices and sign out of unknown sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.